If you're still manually chasing leads and booking sales calls, you're already left behind. Here's the harsh truth. Smart agencies, coaches, and consultants are already closing deals on autopilot while you're still stuck in the trenches. You know, wasting time on unqualified leads, manually scheduling calls like it's 2015, following up with tire kickers that ghost you. What if AI handled all of that for you? So you only spoke to pre-qualified, high-intent buyers ready to buy. That's exactly what I'm breaking down in today's video. So stick around, because this could be a game changer for your business. Alright, in this breakdown, I'll show you exactly how marketing agencies, coaches, and consultants are using voice AI agents to get clients. Alright, for step 1, we're just going to show how AI automates client booking, so no more of that, hey, are you free at 2 p.m. BS. You know, you ever had those back and forth nightmares where like, hey, does Tuesday work for you? No, what about Thursday? Oh, actually, how about Friday 10 a.m.? Yep, so stop wasting time. AI books appointments instantly with no emails, no DMs, and no chasing. The lead say yes, boom, the call's booked. Calendar updated, done. Yeah, if you're still doing this manually, you're still losing deals to people who do respond faster. AI, it never sleeps, it doesn't take lunch breaks, and it doesn't forget to follow up because you had a long weekend. It just works. Alright, now we're in step 2 where AI increases conversions because slow equals broke. And here's the truth, if you're waiting more than 5 minutes to follow up a lead, they're gone. Done. On to the next guy. You see, most businesses don't have a lead problem, they have a speed problem. You generate the leads and they fill out a form, and then they wait, and then some other guy with AI system reaches out first and steals your sales. Sucks, right? No money for you over here. The AI follows up before they even think about ghosting you. It's in their inbox, their text, and even calling them before they even get a chance to move on. Because reality is, the person who follow-ups wins. You snooze, you lose, and AI, it never sleeps. So you're always gonna get the sell over here and prospecting the clients. Now we're in step 3 where the AI could generate high-ticket sales without hiring a single sales rep. Alright, let's talk about the biggest objection people have, but I need a human touch in my sales process. I'm like, really? You need to personally confirm every appointment? You need to send like 17 follow-up texts? You need to manually remind people about their calls? Again, we have AI that qualifies the leads in real time, we have AI that books appointment instantly, and we have AI that follows up and nurtures leads so you don't have to. You see, this is how the top marketing agencies are booking 20 to 50 calls a week on autopilot. And if you're not doing this, guess what? Your competition is. Alright, so the real question is, are you going to keep playing small or are you going to automate like a real business? Yeah, so if you're still relying on slow manual outreach, this is going to change your entire client acquisition process using AI. Alright, and how agencies are scaling with AI closers. Alright, let me break this down for you because what you're about to see is going to question everything about how you book calls and close deals. Yep, instead of all hiring SDRs, they plug in AI into their funnel and watch all the sales calls roll in by having this homie right here, guys. Yeah, so most agents still out there are running their sales like it's 2015, sliding to people's DMs, manually chasing leads, and waiting for replies like it's some kind of like sales Tinder game. Oh, I'm desperate for a date or a sale. Meanwhile, the ones who get it are letting AI do the work while they're just off actually closing deals and not babysitting leads. And let me show you exactly what Meet Brent, the guy who stopped acting like a part-time telemarketer and actually start running a business. Right, so in 2 weeks, the AI got to book 18 appointments for him, and then the AI closed 5 new clients, total revenue $26,000 in 14 days. Bam, bam. Wouldn't you be happy about that? Yeah, so before AI, he had a nightmare sales process. You know, manually DMs, slow follow-ups, ghosted leads, you know, cold DMs that endly follow-up saying, I'm interested, but I'm actually like they just got abducted, so you never see them again. Frustrated right here. You know, it's great because you actually have SDRs wasting hours every day trying to book calls and they still ghosted. And the worst part, you know, every time you follow up, you feel like a needy ex, like they won't take the hint. So the booking process took too much effort and then wasted leads, no same result, no money. After AI, it became a revenue printing machine. Again, so the AI books the calls instantly, AI qualifies leads before they even the booking, and then AI nurtures and pre-sells the offer. Yep, and the result, $26,000 in 2 weeks. See, Brent right here, happy, 26 collected in 2 weeks from using the voice AI. And all that happened without a human appointment setter. We just have our AI buddy right here, no humans involved. Look, if you're still manually chasing leads, you're gonna get bodied by people who are using AI to outpace you. It's not that you're bad at sales, it's that you're slow, and slow equals broke. Again, so Brent realized this, and in 2 weeks, he turned his business into a money printing machine. No more wasting time, no more paying human service to do a job where AI does it better and faster. If you're not doing this, you're literally losing money on the table every single day. So let me ask you, how much longer are you going to play this manually chasing leads and game before you realize there's a better way by using our boy right here, AI. Alright, now we're going to talk about how they use the AI powered sales funnel breakdown right here. Right, here's how it works. Step 1, the AI will capture and qualify leads in real time. That's when the AI will contact the new leads instantly before they even lose interest, and then it's going to ask qualifying questions and filter any unqualified prospects. All here, automatic. See? AI will talk to them and send a text or calls them right away. Remember, speed equals money, guys. Money. Speed equals money. Money. Because here's the brutal truth. If you're not engaging leads and the second they opt in, you're already losing them. AI will call them instantly and within seconds, not minutes, not hours, seconds. If you don't believe me, just go test it out. Next time, go opt in for something. Start a stopwatch and see how long it takes someone to call you. And I guarantee by the time they call you, you're probably eating a burrito, watching Netflix, and they completely forgotten why you opted in, right? Alright, now we're in step 2. This is where the AI books appointments automatically. This is where business completely fall apart at this section. Here, this is an AI schedule calls directly into your calendar or your CRM. It calls right here, and bam, books a call on the calendar or CRM. Yep, so no back and forth messing with the clients. You just chillin', happy. Chillin' while the clients get booked into your calendar. Again, if you're out here playing email tag, DMs are a mess, and your sales rep are trying to schedule calls like it's 1999, like, hey, does Tuesday at 3 o'clock work for you? Oh wait, no, how about Friday at 5 p.m.? Actually, what's your time zone? Just stop. Alright, in step 3, this is where AI sends smart reminders to reduce no-shows. Like you have that notification right here, like Metal Gear Solid, that's one of my favorite games of all time, but that know like, You see in this part of the sales funnel breakdown, this is where the AI will send an SMS or email reminder to increase attendance rate. We'll send a text right here, bam. Email, bam. And this view, whoa, notification. Then that's when you get reminded and read because everyone's on their phone 24/7 like there. Yeah, so AI fixes this. It doesn't just set reminders, it texts them, it emails them, and calls them before the appointment to make sure this guy will show up. Remember, fewer no-shows equals more closed deals. Bam, money right here. Close. More deals closed with fewer no-shows. Okay, then we move to step 4 where the AI re-engages cold leads and nurtures until they buy. Look, some leads aren't ready today, but that doesn't mean they won't be ready later. See, so the AI will follow for weeks and months with personalized messages, so no more dead leads sitting in your CRM. So all the leads will be inside a workflow right here, as you can tell. They're gonna get constantly getting text messages, they're gonna get emails, and then we have our voice AI constantly calling them until they're ready to buy to go to the next step.
Here has been. We'd like to schedule a brief meeting for this purpose. Would you be interested in a 30-minute appointment or perhaps a shorter 15-minute chat?
And this is why having an AI-powered client booking is a game changer. So if you're still doing this manually, you're literally setting money on fire. Remember, AI is faster, smarter, and works 24/7. While you're out here complaining, I have bad leads. Yeah, so the only question left is, when are you gonna start making excuses and start printing money?
Alright, so let's recap. Right now, you have 2 choices. Option 1, keep doing what you're doing, keep chasing deals manually, keep dealing with no-shows, keep wondering why your sales pipeline feels so inconsistent. If you're cool with that, keep going. But if you're serious about scaling, if you're tired of wasted leads, if you want AI to do all the hard work for you while you focus on closing deals, option 2, let's plug AI into your business right now. Here's what to do next. Click the link below and I'll show how AI can book 10 to plus 30 sales calls for you in the next 30 days. Do it now. I'm serious. Because if you're seeing this and you don't take action, you'll be in the exact same place as next month. Still chasing leads, still dealing with no-shows, and still wondering why sales is so hard. And your competitors, they'll already be ahead of you. You know what to do. Hit the link and let's build your AI sales system today. See you on the inside, and I'll see you in the next video. Jeremy out.